Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Snakes. In India, 216 species of snakes are seen, out of which 52 species are poisonous. The most dangerous and fatality is caused by 5 snakes called as Big 5, which are cobra, common crate, king cobra, Russell's viper and saw-scaled viper. Identification of snakes. Cobra. Cobra is identified with a hood. Hood is monospectacle or bispectacle mark is present on hood for identification of cobra. Russell. Russell's viper is identified by a star-shaped head which is heavy and flat on the surface. Russell's viper has 3 rows of diamond shaped patches and the middle row is interconnected. 3. Saw scaled viper. Saw scaled viper has wavy lines along the sides of the back and diamond shaped areas are seen in between the wavy lines. Common crate. Common crate has single or double white bands are seen all over the surface called as common crate. Banded crate. Banded crate has a big jet black 5 centimeters patch of width and yellow patch is seen for banded crate. That is, it has alternative black and yellow patches. Sea snakes. Sea snakes in India are around 20 types, and all 20 types of sea snakes are poisonous.
thank you and thank you for watching.